In this real quick video, I want to show you where you can find HDRI images or HDR images or EXR images that you can use for image-based lighting in a 3D software of your choice. Now, first of all, what is IBL or image-based lighting? Well, essentially it's a technique that it's used to generate a particular lighting effect, to have reflections and to have some sort of scenario like a background, or well, it's not only a background but kind of a sphere that surrounds a single object or a single element, only one, in just one single image. Now this is image-based lighting and it's based on HDR, or also you can call them environment maps. So environment maps are used to create an environment or different environments. So with just one application of just one single image, you can have a complete surrounding for your 3D product or object. So it's kind of a 3D scene packed for you. You don't have to model anything, you don't have to do anything, just add the image and that's it. Now, all the 3D software in the market or the render engine or plugins, they all use some way or another an environment map or an image-based lighting system on an HDRI. So I'm not gonna talk about a particular software here, but you can use V-Ray, you can use SketchUp. You will find videos in our channel talking about a particular software and this particular technique. Now in this video, I just want to show you the website where you can get some of these images. This is called polyhaven.com. So you can just search it on Google or any other search engine. And if you want to go straight to the HDRIs, you can click directly here. Otherwise, you can see it has textures and models also. But let's focus our attention here on this part. Now you can see that you have many different HDRIs here to simulate an outdoor or an indoor scene. You also can have like a day scene or a night scene or a sunset, sunrise. So you can simulate a lot of situation here with this, with a single image. And you also find some spheres at the bottom to show you how the reflection is gonna look like, and also how the illumination or lightning is gonna look like on a particular model that you're gonna use. Now this technique again is usually used for just one single object or a simple scene. You cannot use this, for example, in interior. Well, you can use it for interior and exterior renderings, but it's gonna be just a part of that. It's not gonna be only that. You need to have other lights placed on the scene. But let's see how it works. So if I click here, this is looking like a flat sphere. And if I click on this 3D view, it's gonna show me here in the website how the image is gonna look when I'm going to place it in a 3D software. So I can actually move around and I can see that I am like inside a sphere. I'm kind of a virtual reality situation here where I can move my site. And also this is the principal source of lighting. So when you're gonna use this in a software, it's gonna emit shadows because it's the highest luminosity part of your image. So again, if you want to see that, just search for in our channel, search for HDRI or IBL or image-based lighting, and you will find other videos and other guides. Now, everything here it's totally open source and public domain, so CC0, and also you can change here the resolution, you can change the format. For example, if you use Rhino as a 3D modeling software and rendering software, you can use EXR, but usually you will use HDR, but you can also download both. So make your choice, click download, and then the download is gonna start here. And you just have to save it on your computer. Just create a folder here and save it, and that's it. Just need to wait for the HDRI to be downloaded, and then you can apply it in your software or in your render engine. So this will be all for this really simple and fast video guide. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.